how to use SD card as internal storage in Android. So if you want to use SD card as internal storage in your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Now under settings, you need to go with About Phone, and here you need to tap on the MIUI version or whichever version that you're using on your Android, and you need to turn on your developer mode. In my case, as you can see that it already says no need, you are already a developer, which means I've already turned on my developer options. Now, once your developer options are turned on, you need to just simply go and search for developer options, and it has been turned on. Now, once you're in the developer option, scroll down and then you will find an option of force allow apps on external. Scroll down and then you will find the option. So as you can see that I've already found the option, which is force allow apps to run on external. Once you find it, just simply go and toggle the option on. Or if you don't find the option on your developer options, then you can go with your search on your settings and search for force allow apps, and then you'll find the option right here. Tap on it and it will directly take you to that section. So that's how you can use your SD card as internal storage in your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.